Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. There's no place I'd rather be than out here soaking up the sunshine, surrounded by nature. You know how much I love creating warm, inviting spaces, and today we're bringing that same love to the great outdoors. That's right, we're diving into 20 breathtaking covered patio garden ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a serene oasis. So grab a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's get started. This first one is all about embracing the rustic charm. Clean lines and simple elegance, that's what we love about this one. Imagine yourself surrounded by lush greenery, it's pure paradise. Chapter 4, Mediterranean Escape. This design transports you straight to the Mediterranean coast. Chapter 5, Bohemian Chic. Get ready for a burst of color and free-spirited vibes. Chapter 6, Urban Jungle. Bring the outdoors in even if you're in the heart of the city. Chapter 7, Vintage Charm. Reclaimed wood and antique finds add so much character to this one. Chapter 8, Eco-friendly oasis. Sustainability meets style in this eco-conscious design. Chapter 9, Zen Garden. Find your inner peace with this serene and minimalist design. Chapter 10, Coastal Getaway. This breezy design is all about capturing those coastal vibes. Chapter 11, English Cottage. Think charming blooms and a touch of whimsy. Chapter 12, Industrial Elegance. Exposed brick and metal accents give this design a modern edge. Chapter 13, Get ready for a celebration of color and vibrant energy. Chapter 14, This design is perfect for families who love to entertain. Chapter 15, Create a tranquil space where you can unwind and recharge. Chapter 16, DIY Dream. This one is perfect for those who love to get their hands dirty. Chapter 17, Budget Beauty. Creating a beautiful patio doesn't have to break the bank. Chapter 18, Starry Night. Magical lighting transforms this patio into a nighttime oasis. Chapter 19, Versatile Veranda. This design can be adapted to fit any style and space. Chapter 20, Ultimate Entertainer. This final design is perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings. Well, there you have it, friends. 20 breathtaking covered patio garden ideas to inspire you. I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am to get out there and create your own little slice of heaven right in your backyard. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, leave a comment below telling me which design was your favorite, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring garden ideas. See you in the next video.